So how can educators help children that experience these kinds of negative challenges as they grow up? And just like my response to intervention team, we need to establish an environment where students experience the positive, that goodwill experience while at school. And as a teacher, we are with the students the majority of the school day and year, and we need to take the information that we know and provide a positive experience during the day. And as educators, it's our job to make a peaceful school environment and make it safe for everybody and not have a fear of negativeness or harm. And with Colton, that was our goal. As educators, we worked together and we made this happen for Colton. By establishing those standards, rules, and goals, we set up a behavior plan that was appropriate for Colton, and we let anyone who worked with Colton in any kind of capacity in the district know about our plan. So that way, if he wasn't with me, he was transitioning somewhere else, he had the same expectations. And we worked very hard with mom and grandma to establish those expectations at home as well. So we did a lot of communicating with mom and grandma constantly throughout the week. I sent notes home every day exactly how his behavior plan went. We copied it. So we worked as a team to really make Colton's first year of kindergarten successful. And he still has ways to go, but from kindergarten to going into first grade, he has done so much improvements. He's starting to take ownership of his choices, and he's starting to understand the rules and expectations that we set for him.